Welcome to the Canvas 10. This move-in ready home is available now in our Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. Let's go check it out. As you step in, the first thing you'll notice are these beautiful wood plank tile floors that you'll find throughout the common areas of the home. And as we make our way past the spacious great room, you also pass by a dining space that connects you right to this kitchen that features quartz countertops, bright white cabinets, a subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. And right off the kitchen, you have a den that you can use as a formal dining area or an office space. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and the laundry room, plus this spacious master bedroom that connects you right to the master bathroom that features dark quartz countertops, bright white cabinets, a beautiful tiled-in tub, a large step-in shower, and my favorite room of all, this massive walk-in closet that's every fashion lover's dream. This Canvas 10 traditional exterior home is available now in our Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and includes tons of features and upgrades that you're gonna love. And you're just steps away from this gorgeous community pool, perfect for catching some summer sun. Visit our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information.
Nice!
Nice!